Hi, I'm Judy McChrystal, and 8 months ago, I was at a point in my life where I was gaining weight with eating very little. I knew I had Hashimoto's. I'd been diagnosed with that 5 years ago. So I went to a dinner and was challenged in my spirit to become a part of the Zeal program. And so the last 8 months, I've been educated by Dr. Crocker and taken care of by all the girls in the office, and have obeyed the rules and drank the water, and I feel better than I have felt in years, and that's the truth. And I thank them, I thank God for their expertise and how they were able to help me. And now I'm on my own, and I'm confident that I can do the things that I need to do, but I also have the opportunity to call Dr. Crocker if I need help. So that's comforting too, and I would recommend them in a heartbeat. Thank you.
Hi, my name's Ryan. I'm from Republic, Missouri, 38 years old. Came to Zeal Integrated Health. Been here since February. I came because my health was kind of out of control. I was at 348. I've been here about 7 months, and I'm down 105 pounds. My triglycerides were elevated, and in that 7 months, my triglycerides have dropped 92 points, and my LDL's dropped about 37 points. And the program's been great. The people here are great, and it's going great. I'm excited.
Hi, my name's Peggy. I came to see Dr. Crockett. It's been over a year ago now. I had seen his ad about thyroid and getting thyroid working better. Found out when the blood work and the testing they did that I not only had an issue with my thyroid, but my liver, I had fatty liver, and I also was having issues because figured out there was mold in the house that was affecting me. So over the last year, 14 months or so, I have dropped 40 pounds. My energy level has improved. My liver numbers are about to get where they need to be. And I'm just so happy with the numbers that we've got and the changes that I have seen in how I feel and the results that I'm getting.